The fast track build process is to help guide people who've never done it before. It's a process where everything's been designed, nothing's missed, it leaves no stone unturned, everything is aligned, and it's less stress for my clients and everyone involved. You're not going into the unknown. That's the beauty about in the fast track build process. So it's a 10-step process. Step 1 is basically the discovery stage, where we meet with you and listen to your needs and wants. Step 2 is the design stage, where all your needs and wants come into design. And then we create detailed specifications and documentation for your fixtures and finishes. Step 4 is final design and documentation. Any certification or council approvals and structural drawings are done here, putting everything together, which leads us on to step 5, which is final quoting. Once you're happy with this leads us on to step 6, which is quote acceptance. Step 7 is enter an agreement. Step 8 is the construction stage, where all the hard work comes into play and we go through the construction process. Step 9 is handover. Everything's been built. We then hand over the project for you to move into. Then step 10 is our ongoing commitment. So we have a 6.5-year structural warranty. Also, we have a 12-month maintenance period. So any little cosmetic things that may need fixing, we're happy to come back and look after it for you.